let us remind ourselves, guys, and I know that some of you here, or some of us, it needed for us to publicly announce that we have to do good deeds to someone else. But according to this statement, and this is based on the Bible, when you do good deeds, it needed not to announce. Rather, it needed for us to give it privately, because this is in accordance the to our Father's will. Okay? Guys, please do this, because this is a guidance in order us to reward in heaven.